By the end of this video, you'll be able to search for various groups of students in your database in preparation for mass enrollment into sections. Here's the situation. You're administrator for an elementary or middle school. You've created all your dependent course sections in the next school year in PowerSchool and now would like to enroll your students quickly and efficiently into these sections. Before you can mass enroll them, you must properly search for these students. How do you go about doing this? Before we begin, some explanation is in order. You need to understand that prior to July 1st, you are working in the current 2014-15 school year. To help with scheduling for the following year, you've created your new year, 2015-16, in PowerSchool. In this 15-16 school year, you've been working on your live-side scheduling, setting up your years and terms, bell schedules, and so on for that year. You have just inputted all of your sections and are ready to enroll students into these sections. In this new year, all the student data has been copied from the 2014-15 school year and is available for you to use. Now, after July 1st, however, the next school year begins and the database is rolled over into this new year. This means that your 15-16 school year becomes the current year. All these students will have moved to their next grade, and your timetable, your created sections, teachers, and so on all become part of the current year. I'll be demonstrating how to search for students in various scenarios to help you schedule them in the next school year. I'll begin by showing you how to find students prior to July 1st rollover. I will end this video by showing you how to do all the same demonstrated searches as if you're scheduling in August, after the July 1st rollover. It's the end of April. You need to search for all the students who are currently in grade 2 in your school. These students will make up the grade 3 classes for next year. Your first step is to always make sure that you're working in the proper year. You want to enroll these students into grade 3 classes for next year, so you need to change the year to 2015-2016. To search for students currently in grade 2, simply click on grade 2 here. Remember, even though you're in the 2015-16 school year, it is the end of April, and the July 1st rollover has not happened yet. So, your current grade 2 students are still listed in the 2015-16 year as grade 2 students. So there, you have successfully searched and found 32 grade 2 students ready to be selected and placed into grade 3 classrooms. For this situation, please note that the names of the school and several students will be blurred out to protect their privacy. Now here's the situation. It's the middle of May and you want to search for your pre-registered kindergarten students. Once again, make sure you're working in the next school year, 2015-2016. You need to search for pre-kindergarten students using the Enroll status field. Begin at the start page, type in the first few letters of Enroll status, and Smart Search should help you find this field. Click on Enroll status. Your pre-kindergarten students are inactive in your database at this point because it is prior to the July 1st rollover. To search for these students, make sure to type a / in the search window in front of this search field. This will include inactive students in this search. /. Now we type equals -1. Once again, you're looking for all inactive students whose enroll status is equal to -1. This search should return all your pre-kindergarten students who will be attending your school this fall. Click on the search button, and voila! You have successfully searched and found your pre-kindergarten students. It's June 15th. You're at a large middle school searching for the grade 5 students from the feeder schools who will be in grade 6 in your school during the next school year. Begin at the start page. Looking down on the left side of the page, you will see Power Scheduler. Click on it. Power Scheduler can be thought of as a scheduling bubble where administrators of large schools can have PowerSchool help them build and load their next year timetable. You do not use Power Scheduler for live-site scheduling, but you can use it for searching purposes to find students coming to you from the feeder schools. Looking to the left side of the page, you'll see Resources. Under Resources, select Students. The scheduling page opens up and provides you search options to find students in various grades. You're searching for students for the grade 6 classes in September. It is only June 15th, so the student database hasn't yet rolled over to the next school year. Consequently, you'll find the appropriate students by clicking on grade 6 in the next year grade level. The search returned 32 students. Click on Select these students at the bottom. PowerSchool will hold these students for you. Now click on the PowerSchool logo to return to the live side and leave the Power Scheduler bubble. Notice that you now have searched and found all your grade 5 students coming to you in September. Remember that after July 1st, your student database has rolled over to the 2015-2016 school year. In other words, your next school year that you've been working on through April, May, and June will now become your current and active school year after July 1st. This makes searching for your students rather easy because all of your students are now in their proper grade. For example, it's August in a large K-8 school. You're searching for students who were at your school last year and who will be making up the grade 4 classes in September. It's after July 1st, so you'll find all your grade 4 students are in the proper grade for that year. From the start page, simply click on Grade 4. If you want to see all the kindergarten students in your school, and because it's after July 1st, simply click on the kindergarten grade. If you want to see all of the students who arrived in grade 6 from your feeder schools, click on grade 6, and they'll be all listed there ready to be selected and mass enrolled into classes. Congratulations! You've successfully searched for various groups of students in your database in preparation for mass enrollment into sections.